Today I'm making a lemon and dill risotto, but not the way the Italians intended. No standing at the stove, no endless stirring, no slowly ladling in hot stock for 40 minutes. Who has the time for that on a weeknight after a busy day? Not me, and probably not you either. This version is my midweek saviour. Everything goes into the roasting tray, the oven does the work, and you still get that creamy, comforting risotto texture without the faff. I'm starting by prepping everything in advance. A bit of chopping, a bit of zesting, nothing complicated. And here's the best part. Once everything's prepped, it all goes in a food-safe sealable bag. That means you can do this the night before, or even a couple of days ahead, and it's ready to go whenever you need it. So in the bag, I've got the vegetables, the rice, the lemon zest, garlic, onion and dill, and all the lovely flavour bits. The only things I'm not adding yet are the cannellini beans and the stock. Those go in fresh when it's time to cook. And feel very smug knowing that future you has a delicious dinner already halfway done. When you're ready to cook, just put everything into a roasting tin. Add the cannellini beans, pour over your stock, and give it a quick stir. Cover tightly with foil. This is what helps the rice steam and get beautifully creamy, and bake for around 35 to 40 minutes. Stir halfway through if you remember, but honestly if you forget, it will still be fine. And whilst it's in the oven, you've got time to do whatever you need. A quick workout, a vacuum around, wrangling with the kids or the grandkids, or simply sitting down with a cup of tea. There's no judgment here. When it comes out, give it a good stir, adding some olive oil and lemon zest. You'll see it's thick, creamy, lemony and full of flavour. Everything that you want from a risotto, but without the labour. You can add a few toasted pine nuts, but this is not essential. This recipe makes 4 portions, so it's perfect for batch cooking, and it keeps for a few days in the fridge once it's cooked, and it freezes beautifully too. Future you will be very grateful. So that's my lemon and dill oven-baked risotto. Easy, bright, comforting, and weeknight friendly. If you give it a try, let me know how you get on. And if you're new here, welcome to Plentiful Bee, where we keep things simple, joyful and delicious. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.